Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your taskbar in Windows 11. The best part? It's very easy, and you can customize your taskbar and start menu in just a few clicks. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, click on the Start icon. From here, you can search for Settings, or simply click on it if it's already visible. Once the Settings window opens, click on Personalization. Under Personalization, select Colors. Now, look for Choose Your Mode. This controls the color theme for Windows and apps. Here, select Custom. Next, you'll see Choose Your Default Windows Mode. Select Dark. After that, scroll down a little. You'll find an option called Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. Turn this option on. As soon as you enable it, your selected accent color will appear on the taskbar and Start menu. Now, if you choose a different accent color from the list, you'll see the taskbar color change instantly. And that's it, guys. This is how you can easily change the color of your taskbar and Start menu in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more simple Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.